Hello students, in our last episode and last topic we have discussed about the SC/STs, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, and today's topic is other backward classes or OBCs. In Hindi these are called Anya Pichhda Varg. Those groups of forward caste who are economically backward, these are called other backward classes. These are just upper than the SC and STs on the basis of economic condition, social condition, and political condition. But these are inferior or having the less status on these basis, different basis, than the upper caste or general caste. So these people are very poor and are treated like the Dalits, but there is absence of untouchability, and sometimes you can say that not treated as inferior or as lower position like SC and STs. They are counted or they have given the accountability in society just above than the SC and STs. So reservations are provided to them since they are literate, uneducated, and are given the some jobs as the Dalits. So regarding this reservation provided for these OBCs, there were some efforts which had done in the past or in Indian history. The first commission or first effort was done by Kaka Kelkar, and this was set up to go to different villages to decide which caste, subcaste should be given the status of OBCs. Means the castes were defined and included in the group of OBCs according to the report given by this Kaka Kelkar commission. And after that, the next effort was done by Mandal commission, and this Mandal commission was large issues in late 18th or 19th century. This 1980s and 1990s decade, especially during the VP Singh. He gave reservation in some status and in some states, but not in other states. This led to protest by other people. And if we are talking about the politics of OBCs, then it is obviously seen that politicians promise for reservation to OBCs only to expand their vote bank. They don't have or they not have the interest and just accountability or the actual or real favor of these OBCs. Only for their vote bank, sometimes some groups or some strongly and highly educated, highly economic status caste are also included in the OBCs. And after all the surveys and all different records of the different agencies, it is looking that some castes are just eligible and capable as the general caste, and there is no need for reservation for them. But this is the vote politics, and for vote bank, some parties and some leaders are doing this. The lowest category is equal to the list, and it is also very problematic that there are some OBCs caste which have about to the similar condition and similar position like the Dalits and scheduled tribes, but they have not counted in SC/STs, and it is the fault of the state governments and also the central government or parliament that these are not trying to add these some inferior or too much lower position caste to join them as the SC or STs. So these are the some facts and some discussion about the OBCs, and next topic we will discuss on the other matters.